Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn with Namrita. So let's learn today some new conversations which we do in our daily life. Please दोस्तों इससे प्रैक्टिस ज़रूर करिएगा बिकॉज़ प्रैक्टिस से ही आपकी इंग्लिश अच्छी हो पाएगी. So let's start. कोई आ रहा है, somebody is coming. अभी तक वो आया नहीं है. He has not come yet. He has not come yet. मुझे ठंड लग रही है. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. जब मैं जाऊँगा तब तुम्हें कॉल करूँगा. I'll call you when I go. I'll call you when I go. क्या तुम्हें भूख लगी है? Are you hungry? Are you hungry? कल बारिश हो सकती है. It may rain tomorrow. It may rain tomorrow. इसका क्या मतलब है? What does it mean? What does it mean? क्या तुमने वह शोर सुना? Did you hear that noise? Did you hear that noise? मैं भी यही सोच रही थी. I was thinking the same. I was thinking the same. अपने आप को खुशकिस्मत समझो. Consider yourself lucky. Consider yourself lucky. मेरे पास कुछ नहीं है कहने को. I have nothing to say. I have nothing to say. मुझे घर छोड़ दो. Drop me home. Drop me home. क्या चल रहा है? What's going on? What's going on? बहाने मत बनाओ. Don't make excuses. Don't make excuses. इतना काफ़ी है. This is enough. This is enough. मैंने कुछ नहीं सुना. I didn't hear anything. I didn't hear anything. So guys, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. Thank you.